Hello students, now second week of this MOOC on solid and hazardous waste management is complete. In the second week, we have studied a total of 3 modules. The first module of second week was on factors influencing waste generation and health hazards. So, in this module we have studied about different factors like population, seasons, public attitude, legislation, etc., which influence the waste generation. In addition to this, we studied different type of pollutions like water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, etc., that are caused by the solid waste. We also learnt about different types of disease causing pathogens and animals, etc., that can feed upon or that breed upon the solid waste. We also learnt about the different health hazards that can be caused because of these organisms, small animals and insect. In addition to this, we learnt about occupational health hazards that may be caused by the solid waste. In second module of the second week, we learnt about waste composition. You have been told during the module that for any robust solid waste management plan, we must know what is the waste composition, because once we know the waste composition, we can decide the kind of treatment and disposal. So, in this module, we studied about the global solid waste composition. We also learnt about different factors that influence or that are responsible for the solid waste generation, and we learnt about the composition of municipality solid waste in urban parts of India, and we also learnt about different constituents and their percentage, and we learnt that how the percentage of different constituents has changed with the time. And another very important point that was discussed in this module was that waste generation is directly linked with the GDP of any nation. The third module of the second week was on the waste collection, part 1. Actually, there are 2 modules on the waste collection. Second module on the waste collection you will study in the third week. So, here in this module we have studied about the importance of waste collection. We learnt about the crew that is going to collect this waste. We learnt about different type of vehicles that are used for the waste collection, and finally, we learnt about transfer station. We also learnt that how a good crew or use of good containers or good vehicles or good transfer station reduce the cost of waste collection. I hope you enjoyed these 3 modules in the second week. We will again meet in the third week with 2 modules. One module will be on the again waste collection part 2, and another will be on the waste characterization. Waste characterization, you know, is again very important to decide how a waste can be used or how a waste can be disposed. Thank you.